13 Constipation Home Remedies. 1. Drink more water. Being dehydrated regularly can make a person constipated. To prevent this, it is important to drink enough water and stay hydrated. 2. Eat more fiber. To treat constipation, doctors often tell people to increase their dietary fiber intake. Insoluble fibers are present in wheat bran, vegetables, and whole grains. Soluble fibers are present in oat bran, barley, nuts, seeds, beans, lentils, and peas, as well as some fruits. 3. Exercise more. 4. Drink coffee. Coffee can help relieve constipation by stimulating the muscles in the gut. 5. Take Senna, an herbal laxative. The herbal laxative Senna is a popular remedy for constipation. 6. Eat probiotic food. Probiotics may help treat chronic constipation. 7. Over-the-counter or prescription laxatives. Speak to a doctor or pharmacist about the best ones to use. 8. Try a low FODMAP diet. A low FODMAP diet may help relieve IBS-related constipation. 9. Eat shirataki noodles or take a glucomannan supplement. 10. Eat prebiotic foods. 11. Try magnesium citrate. Taking magnesium citrate, an over-the-counter supplement, can help relieve constipation. 12. Eat prunes. Prunes contain the sugar alcohol sorbitol, which has a laxative effect. 13. Try avoiding dairy. Dairy or lactose intolerance may cause constipation in some people. Check the description to see where to find these products. Subscribe for more natural tips.